I almost didn't make this video. When I first opened Pika's website, I thought this is going to be the most boring entry in the entire series. No flashy animations, no giant feature list. No, try our AI now pops screaming at me. Just a simple page that looks more like an Instagram profile than an AI video tool. I almost ranked it lowest before I even tested it. But you know what? Sometimes the boring looking tools are the ones that actually deliver. So I gave Pika a fair shot. I signed up, I tested the free plan, I generated a video using the exact same prompt I have been using on every other tool in the series. And what I found made me completely rethink my first impression. Real quick, if you have been following the series testing every free AI video tool out there, please hit subscribe. It's free, it takes 1 second, and it's the single biggest thing that helps a channel like mine grow. Every subscriber means I can keep testing more tools and giving you the honest take. So let's not waste any more time. Here's what happened when I actually tried Pika. This is pika.art, and yeah, that's the entire homepage. No big banners, no video carousels, just sign-in options, Google, Facebook, Discord, or email, whatever's easiest for you. I'm going with Google because it's the fastest and we are already in. That was honestly the quickest sign up of any tool in the series. 5 seconds, no extra forms, no tell us about your business questions, just straight to the dashboard. And look, it's still pretty minimal in here too. This is what I meant earlier. Pika doesn't try to overwhelm you with features. It just shows you what you need. Some people will love that too. Some people will think it's too basic. We'll see which one I end up agreeing with. The good news? They give you 80 credits in the free plan when you sign up. 80. That's a real number. Not try a free trial for one video actual credits to play with. For paid plans, a standard tier starts at $8 a month. Then there's $28 plan, and for the really committed users, a $76 plan. Those costs are honestly fair compared to some of the other tools I've tested. Whether they are worth it? Well, depends on if the free plan can get you what you need first. Up at the top, we have got inspiration, Pika effects, and library. Inspiration is what other people are creating on the platform. Library is what you have created. Pika effects is one of those things you'll explore once you have gotten comfortable with the basics. And right here at the bottom, this is where the magic happens, the prompt box. I am going to give it the same prompt I have used on every tool. A golden retriever running through a sunlit meadow with wildflowers, slow motion, cinematic lighting. That way, you can compare results across the whole series. For settings, Pika gives you a few options. Length, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Resolution, 480p, 720p or 1080p. Aspect ratio, and I'm picking 16:9 because that's what we want for YouTube. There's also a negative prompt option where you can tell it what not to include and a speed adjustment. I'm leaving those blank for now to keep this simple. And then there's this whole row of Pika features at the bottom. Pika frames, Pika performance, Pika scenes, Pika edits, Pika swaps, Pika twists. Each one does something different and creative. We are keeping it simple today, but if you want to go deep into Pika, there's a lot to explore here. Alright, let's just hit generate and see what happens. It started, and right away, it tells me high demand right now. You can upgrade for faster generations. Classic free tier move. But it's still regenerating, which is more than I can say for some other tools I've tested. I'm starting a stopwatch to see exactly how long does this take. And while we wait, look at this. It's using 12 credits out of my 80. So I've got 68 left after this video. That means I can generate roughly 6 videos for free before I run out. Not bad. While it's generating, you'll notice Pika gives you a retry and reprompt option right there. So if you don't like the first result, you can either generate again with the same prompt or modify the prompt and try a different angle. That's a smart UX choice. And we are done. 40 seconds for a 5-second video. Honestly, that's faster than most of the tools I've tested. And the result? Look at this. It's a golden retriever running through a meadow. Bright, colorful, vivid. Slow motion exactly like I asked for. The motion is smooth, the lighting is dramatic. This is genuinely a good result for a free tool. I downloaded it. I'll show you the full clip at the end of the video. Okay, I owe Pika an apology. I came into this expecting the most basic, least impressive entry in the entire series. What I've got was one of the best free experiences I've tested so far. Here's what's great about Pika's free plan. The sign up is instant, no credit card, no questionnaire, just click and go. You get 80 credits, which translates to roughly 6 free videos. Pure text to video works on the free plan, no image required. The output quality is genuinely good, bright, smooth, follows your prompt accurately, and the generation speed is fast, 40 seconds for a 5-second video. What's not so great? The interface is so minimal that you might miss some of the features hidden in those Pika tools. There are usage limits when the platform is busy. The high demand message slowed things down a bit, and the free tier gives you one-time credits, not a daily refresh. Who should use Pika's free plan? Honestly, almost anyone. If you are a casual creator who wants to try AI video without paying, this is one of the easiest entry points I have found. If you are a content creator who needs occasional AI clips for social media, the 80 credits will get you a long way. And you have been disappointed by other tools' free plan, Pika might restore your faith. If you have been following this series, you know I have tested Cling, which couldn't generate anything, Runway, where text to video was locked, Helio, where you needed an image to start, and Luma, which actually worked. Pika now joins Luma as the second tool that delivers on the promise of free text to video. And honestly, it might be the underdog winner of the whole series so far. If this video helped you decide whether Pika is worth your time, do me a favor, hit subscribe. It's completely free, it takes 1 second, and it makes a real difference for a small channel like mine. We have still got more tools to test, including Google Veo, which is going to be a story all its own, so make sure you don't miss it. Drop a comment telling me if you have used Pika and what your experience was, and I'll see you in the next one.